So now as we have created or built our first infrastructure EC2 instance in AWS, so now it's time to inspect. So when you applied your configuration, Terraform wrote data into a file called terraform.tf state that I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. So Terraform stores the IDs and properties of the resources it manages in this file so that it can update or destroy those resources going forward. So the Terraform state file is the only way Terraform can track with resource track which resources it manages and often contains sensitive information. So you must store your state file securely and restrict access to only trusted team members who need to manage your infrastructure. So in production we recommend basically storing your state remotely with Terraform Cloud or Terraform Enterprise. So now for this moment, we will inspect the current state of the infrastructure or EC2 instance using Terraform show. Yeah, it's checking a few seconds. Yeah, it's ready. So it has printed the response. So basically it consists of huge amount of data is close to JSON format. It's not exactly JSON format, but it's close to JSON. When Terraform created this EC2 instance, uh, it also gathered the resources metadata from the AWS provider and wrote the metadata to the state file. That's what the state file consists of. So here, okay, here it is. Let me see. Yeah, so this is our Terraform show. When you give Terraform show, it has shown the state file, and this state file consists of the metadata of the EC2 instance with the way from which it gathered from the AWS provider. So AMI, we have given this AMI, and then ARN resource number. Here it is, it's US East 1, and then ID. So then after that, public IP address, availability zone, US East 1A, CPU core, and then this is what we're talking about. Instance initiated shutdown behavior is stopped. Instance state is running. So this is the present state of this infrastructure, this instance, and then instance type t2.micro. So before apply, after the validation, we have seen all these like unknown, like you'll get to know after that. So now you can see that key name TFKP that we have used, and private DNS and private IP, public IP. So we got 54 and then 172 as the first octet. Then here is our security group and with the following subnet. Then tags, we have given the tags, the following tags. Then capacity reservation specification enclave. So all the metadata you can see, all the metadata of that instance. And then you see the most important metadata, volume size is 8 GB. So 8 GBs, and then this is the volume ID. This is our volume ID. Okay, this is about the basically using looking into the metadata uh, of the infrastructure or EC2 instance. It's like looking inspecting the current state of the EC2 instance. So now let's manually manage the state and see what's going to happen. Okay, so here let me clear the screen. So now Terraform has a built-in command called terraform state. So this is for advanced state management. Use the list subcommand to list of the resources in your project state. So I'll give Terraform state and then list. So let's enter and see the magic. So it is /instance. This is what the labels that we have given, if you remember. So I will take you through that. Here is, so resource is AWS instance and then intro. So these are the two labels that we have given. So that's how the Terraform state command list will help us to find out the information, managing state of the EC2 instance. Now, to for the troubleshooting, if Terraform validate was successful and your apply is successful and your apply still fails, so in that case, for the troubleshooting, so if Terraform validation that we have done it, it was we got it success. If you don't get success, and uh, if you get success and after that if apply well Terraform apply, if that fails, then you may be encountering maybe some region issue. You might be not giving the right region, or you might not be giving the proper security group ID, or you might be uh, missing the instance information or subnet ID something, or maybe, so there, these things you have to either it could be of your region, or it could be of security group ID, whatever it may be. Those changes should be made, and then save it, and then rerun the Terraform apply.